Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm your host crucail, and you are watching an unboxing. Today I have something very special, something very unique. It's a gadget everyone loves, like who are basically the fitness freak persons. Those persons or those people will love this particular gadget. So this is a Fastrack Reflex 2.0 fitness band, and I'm going to unbox and do some quick review regarding this product. I hope you guys will love this video, and if you really like this one, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your loved ones, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification of my videos in this channel. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I have this Fastrack Reflex 2.0 box in my hand, and I'm going to unbox this particular gadget or fitness band. So yeah, I mean, I'm not going to waste any time further. So here I'm going to unbox this one. So before going to unbox this packet, I need to check the overview regarding the packet. On the top we have the Fastrack Reflex 2.0 branding in the box, and on the back side we have some quick overview like Fastrack Reflex 2.0 having some features like it has OLED display, sleep tracker, step distance and calorie tracker, a sedentary reminder, and it is a water resistance IPX6 with IPX6 rating. It also has some vibration alarm, and it is 10 days power. It has the 10 days power reserve, which can also locate your phone, find your phone. It can control the camera, and it also has some features like call and WhatsApp display. Like if you miss any call or if you have any message on your phone, it can even display the notification that you have something, some notification pending in your phone. So that's the overview. Okay, so let's unbox the package. Let's unbox this package. So here is this little paste fitness band, and if you can see the pricing over there on the back side, it has been written that it is called, the MRP is written 1995 Indian rupees, and although it is a year old device, like in 2019 the Fastrack has launched this fitness band, and we can get this fitness band at around cost of 1300 to 1400 or even 1500 rupees Indian rupees. So that's the thing. It's a very good looking. It's a very good looking product, and if you really want to buy this one, you are very much like you will definitely love this particular fitness band. And it is in terms of the comfortability, yes, it is very much comfortable to wear, and it also has some features like it can be like it is right now it is off. So if you can actually it can sense the vibration in your hand. So yeah, right now it's off, so I'm just changing my wrist and it gets on. So that's a cool feature it has. I actually already paired this device with this device, a fitness tracker, with my phone, and I already have done. And you can see this particular device. You can if I deassemble this one, you can see this particular fitness band doesn't have any kind of micro USB port or even Type-C port. It is almost look like a pen drive, like a back of the pen drive. And the best part of this, which is the best part actually, because it doesn't really have any kind of port to charge this particular device. Like if you have a fast charger, you just put this one into the charger, it can get charged. Like I used in the first charge as well as a normal 10-watt charger. So and we all have the phones in our house. We also have some chargers. So we just need to put this one. So we don't need any kind of port. Like we don't need to be worried. The best part of this particular device or fitness tracker is that we don't need to be worried about if we don't have any kind of micro SD cable or Type-C cable. No, we don't. It's a completely worry-free device. Like if we have a charging adapter, we will just need to put this one on the adapter, or even if we have desktop, if we have laptop, you can put it in the USB port and it can get charged by using that one. And it also has lots of features like alarm. It can track your sleeping habits, and it can eventually give you some reminders like when you need to sleep, when you need to work out. All this stuff you will get get notified using or through this particular fitness tracking device or fitness devices and fitness band. And there's been an app whereby which this device has been this device has been used, or this device can be controlled using particular that app, and that name of the app is I'm just telling you the name. It is called Fastrack Reflex, which actually supports is actually in supports with these fitness bands. So that's all from my side as a quick review regarding this particular product, and I hope if you need any further detailed review regarding this product, please don't forget to you need to mention it in the comment section below, that if you need this a complete review of this product. So if you can see an adequate number of requesting to make this particular video, then I will definitely make this one of a detailed review, and how it actually works, how to set up this particular devices with your smartphone. So I will definitely make this one. That's all from my side today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.